Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you guys hear that sound? Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this crispy and crunchy rice crackers recipe. So let's get started. These are the ingredients required. Cumin seeds 1½ tablespoons. Sesame seeds 1½ tablespoon. Salt 1½ tablespoon. Curry leaves finely chopped 2 strips. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Chana dal or split chickpea 1 cup. Soak the chana dal in water for at least 5 to 6 hours. Finely ground rice flour ½ kg. Take a bowl. Now add the rice flour into the bowl. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add cumin seeds. Add the finely chopped curry leaves. Add chana dal. Add sesame seeds as well. I missed that shot, guys. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Heat a pan. For ½ kg of rice flour, I took 2½ cups of water. Add water. If you like the recipes, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Keep it on a high flame until the water boils. After the water boils, add the flour mix in the boiling water carefully. You can take anyone's help for doing this process. Keep it on a low flame and stir it continuously so that the boiled water and the flour mixture are mixed well. Put on a lid. Let it be on a low flame for 5 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Now remove the lid and mix all the ingredients to combine well. Take a bigger vessel and transfer the rice flour mixture to the other vessel so that you can knead it easily. Put a bowl of normal room temperature water aside. Sprinkle some water in small amounts and start kneading the dough well when it's warm. Knead the dough for 5 minutes until it combines well. Don't add too much of water and make it soft. If you make the dough smooth, they won't come crunchy. Take some oil in a bowl and spread it to your palms so that you can roll the dough well. Now take a small portion of the dough and start rolling them. Roll the dough into small balls. Try to take small portions of the dough if you are not using any puri presser. Roll it into a ball and press it lightly to make it flat in this way. In the same way, prepare all other portions. Now take any transparent or plastic sheet which is foldable. Take some oil in a bowl and grease oil all over the plastic or the transparent sheet. You will need to grease it with oil so that you can remove the crackers easily when pressed. Take 4 flat portions of the dough and arrange them in this way. Now fold the sheet. Make sure that they are intact with the transparent sheet. Take any tiffin box or lunch box with a flat base. You can use any plastic or steel boxes. Now we'll start making the rice crackers. Start slightly pressing the dough with this box in this way. Don't press it too hard as they break easily. Similarly, repeat the process for making all the rice crackers. Try to flat them medium, neither too thick nor thin, in this way. And the dough should be mixed some hard to make the rice crackers crispy and crunchy. Take a pan and add oil for frying. Keep it on a high flame. Check whether the oil is heated by dropping small portions of dough. When the oil is too hot, the dough rises up too quickly. Oil is heated. Now keep it on a medium flame and start dropping the rice crackers one by one. Don't overcrowd them. Try to fry them in batches. Fry them till golden brown in this way. Rice crackers will be soft when hot. Remove them into a strainer and cool them down completely so that they become crunchy and crispy. Repeat the process and similarly fry all of them in batches. And that's it. Our crunchy, crispy rice crackers are ready. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Follow @food.festo.